I'm Greg Zanas, inventor of DreamCar123.com. I'd like to talk to you a few minutes about the water canal and canal system that we propose. This is the painting of New Chicago again, and of course blue here represents the lake. But right now I'm going to talk to you about this blue canal system and the meaning of that. If you notice it's blue. If you notice over here, we have a red canal system. To show you a little bit more what this is like, this is the car tunnel, and below here will be our canal systems. I don't know if you remember looking at painting number 16 before, but here is a copy of Herod's canal system. He would bring fresh water into his fortress at the Temple Mount over here. This is the Temple Mount, and if you look over here, it says water canal. He brought the water in underground. Now Herod was famous for using concrete. These more than likely are concrete sections, and you see a low water table. Of course, this could have filled up with water. And if you notice at the very, very top, those are capstones. And I want to pose to you the similarities of this and our canal system. The car itself would be riding on a concrete slab, and below the concrete slab will be these two pylons made of concrete. And in between the two pylons, we propose to bring water from Lake Michigan in huge, huge amounts underneath the car. It won't be touching the car because there's that concrete ceiling again. And then again, I'd like you to look here. See the concrete ceiling in this photograph. And this is very similar to our concrete ceiling. So we'll be pouring the two foundation slabs all across the country. Then we'll be retrofitting the tunnel part of the car on top of that. And also, in the same token, you saw on the painting that I showed you the red marks. The red would be very much the same tunnel system, except we'd be using that for sewage. This, again, I showed you similar things where I suppose, could there have been life on Mars? If people did live on Mars, or if the world slowly destroys itself with so much carbon, we're going to have to put ourselves in a closed environment, including protecting our water supply system, where it's capped and recycled. And we're going to talk more and more about water reclamation in the buildings up and coming in some of the videos that we'll be doing. And I'm Greg Zanas, inventor of DreamCar123, asking us again, can we save the world's water system by putting it in our own underground systems? Thank you.